Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm playing with new Primark makeup. All I'm gonna say is that I found some really good dupes, so stay tuned and I'm gonna put you guys on. Before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to my channel. There's like 1,500 of you now, which is actually incredible. My next goal is to hit 2,000 and I know we can do it. Hopefully before the middle of the year, that's my goal. So if you're watching my channel, please subscribe because it honestly means the world to me. But yeah, let's get into the video. So I have the illuminating foundation and this is in the shade Toffee. This is a luminous finish foundation. It says it has wild pansy and rose extract in it. So it sounds like it has a lot of good skincare benefits in here. I love a dewy illuminating finish. So this sounds right up my street. This retailed for £6, which is a really fair price to be honest. And Primark generally do good dupes for high-end foundations. So I have like an Estee Lauder foundation dupe, which is a really good dupe. I'm not entirely sure what this is a dupe for. Maybe something NARS or maybe Charlotte Tilbury, like judging from the packaging. It's also got SPF 20 in here, which is amazing. So let's get it on the face. Oh my god, I love that so far. Okay, so that is one layer on the skin. It looks nice, it looks dewy. I would say that that's kind of like a medium coverage situation. I am gonna layer up a little bit more foundation just to see kind of how it builds and what the coverage ends up like. So that is 2 layers of the foundation on my skin. I think it looks phenomenal, like I'm not even joking. It is full coverage, it's very luminous and dewy. It is a really good color match to be honest. Like the undertone is very olive and I feel like it's a good match. It might be a touch darker than my actual skin, but I feel like with concealer it'll be perfect. I actually love the shade. My skin still looks very skin-like. It doesn't look cakey. I've layered up quite a lot of product. I've done 2 full layers. I actually really like it. I like it a lot and this is like my favorite kind of finish and it's full coverage. Oh my god. I can't wait to see what it looks like once it's been set and everything, but so far it's actually looking really incredible. I feel like my pores have been kind of blurred too, which is great. And if it says it has all those skincare products in there, like rose extract, and yes to that because we always need a little bit more hydration no matter what. Okay, so I've done a lot of my other makeup off camera. I've done all the bits where I haven't picked up something new from Primark. The next thing I have from Primark is definitely a Charlotte Tilbury dupe. I have a cream contour and this was £4 and this is legit in the exact same packaging as the Charlotte Tilbury one. It actually says buildable coverage. There was only one shade, like this is the shade, as you can see that little strip there. I've actually tried one dupe before from Beauty Pie and that was actually quite good. I enjoy like the formula of these like cream contours and I feel like they're just like very good for on the go. As you can see, I've opened this up, no product, so you twist it, which I love that. Oh, and it's like almost automatic. As you can see, we've got some product right there. I'm just gonna dot it along the face where I want to bronze / contour and let's see what happens. Definitely a contouring shade, very cool toned. I feel like because they say it's buildable, maybe they get a pass on not having a great shade range. Quite like the scent, to be honest. Like it smells like sunscreen. I'm not gonna lie. Right, so I'm gonna try this much for now and then if I need more then we'll go in with more. Hopefully it doesn't dry too fast because legit I've had this on my face for like a couple of minutes now. Ooh, okay, I quite like that. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna say I think that's quite pigmented. Blends really nice, like it is really easy to blend out. I feel like the color kind of pulls a little bit purple. I usually like my contours a little bit like grey toned. This actually is, oh, it's alright. It's just not my favourite kind of undertone, I'm not gonna lie. That little bit has basically covered my entire cheek. It is really pigmented. I think this would actually work on loads of different skin tones. If you're lighter than me, I would literally use like half of what I used. Really good for a nose contour though. That was literally the easiest nose contour ever. My nose is snatched. Yeah, if you're deeper skin tone than me, I would say use just a few more dots, to be honest. Honestly, like, look at the intensity of that. That could work for multiple skin tones. Okay, Primark, I ain't too mad now. Not gonna lie though, like, this is such a nice formulation. For it to have been sitting on my skin for this long and for it to not dry out and to blend as easy as it does, this is phenomenal. Very purple tone though, like I'm not even joking, like so purple toned. I am like literally snatched. That was way more pigmented than I thought it was going to be, but I actually think that is an incredible product. Like, it blends out so nice. Definitely has a coolness about it, so it has sculpted me. I would literally need to use half the amount, so a little goes a long way. It blends out like a dream. It has like a matte finish and it looks really seamless on the skin. I definitely need to conceal a little bit and like powder and like just clean this up a little bit, but I actually think it looks incredible on the skin. I think if you see this in your store, pick it up. It's actually amazing, and I think it's a great dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury one. You know, I feel like every brand is coming for Charlotte Tilbury. Like, they've duped the entire Charlotte Tilbury brand at this point has been duped. I'm sculpted, I'm powdered, and now we definitely need some color in this face. So I have another Charlotte Tilbury dupe. I have the PS Dual Tone Blusher. I actually really appreciate the rose gold packaging. I think it's beautiful. Can we just talk about how this is literally a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury? This doesn't have a shade. There was only one shade available and this was it. It was £4.50, so a little bit steeper for Primark blushes, but it honestly looks gorgeous. So the way that Charlotte Tilbury usually says to use her blush is to like swirl it and then pop it. So I think that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm in love. I love it. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, I really like it. That is such a like a sheer wash of color. It's like a really light, dusty, like reddy pink color. It's got luminosity to it. It's so nice. Let's see if we can build up the intensity. Yeah, you definitely kind of look so nice. It is definitely luminous. There's definitely some sheen to it, because I think the heart in the middle definitely has like a little bit of like sheen in it. That looks phenomenal on the skin. It looks so good. That literally applies like a high-end blusher. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love the color. It's buildable. It looks really nice on the skin. It's not like dry or anything. It has a little bit of luminosity, as you can see. Oh, yes. This heart here definitely is like more highlighty. Yeah, so as you can see, it's definitely more like a highlighty color. So even if like this could definitely double up as like a 2-in-1 product. This could be blush and highlight, to be honest. So if you're traveling and you want to travel light, this would be a really good option. But as for blush, like it just looks stunning on the skin. I love this. Again, if you see this, pick it up. Obviously, I picked up a highlighter. So I have the Golden Glow highlighter. This is a little bit steeper for Primark, £3.50. Usually I'm sure Primark highlighters are usually £1 or something. £3.50 is a little bit steeper for Primark pricing, but oh my god, let me show you this. This is the highlighter. Oh my god, it's so stunning. Like, oh, dying to put this on my face. It is gorgeous. I'm just hoping that it's not going to be too dark. Oh no, I think it's a little too dark for me. Yeah, like it pulls a little bit grey. It is leaving a little bit of a cast. I'm just gonna do a little bit. Maybe I'll try and lighten it with that Charlotte Tilbury one. Yeah, no, oh, I can't use it right now. I don't think I'm so sad because usually I can use like a golden highlighter. I'll swatch it on my skin. It looks stunning. This is the shade. It's just it pulls a little too grey for me, and I can see like a cast, which is kind of crazy because this is supposed to be golden, but this definitely pulls more silvery to me. And definitely as I look straight forward, I can see a little, I can see a cast. No, I'm kind of upset with that because I was so excited for this because it looks so beautiful, but it's just a little too dark for me. But I will put it in the inner corners of my eyes and under my brow bone. Just let's see what happens. I mean, it's stunning in the inner eye. It definitely goes with my eye look today as well. Let's just like take it in. To be honest, if it's too dark, I'll probably end up using this as an eyeshadow. Or I can use it in summer. A little bit under the brow. Oh, that is so pretty. This is gorgeous. I'm saddened that it's too dark. It's definitely, even though it says golden, I don't think it's golden. It pulls more silver. So if you're like a deeper skin tone, I would say probably not even medium. I think this might be a bit too dark for medium. Maybe like medium tan or deep skin tone. This is gonna look phenomenal on your skin. Like it is gonna look freaking gorgeous. But if you're like light, like medium, even medium, I think it's too dark. The formulation is nice. Like it's very glitzy, very glam. It's like a wash of like sheen and glitter, but not picking up on texture or anything. So it actually looks really good, but yeah, unfortunately a little too dark. I am gonna try the highlighter in here and just see. Okay, yeah, that's adding definitely a lightness. And this one just has sheen, there's no glitter. No, that's definitely adding some highlight. I really like that. I still kind of have a cast, which is annoying me so much. I might go in with a little bit of that blush and just kind of go on top, just so it looks more blushy rather than that grey. I've never had a highlight that literally leaves a grey undertone. It's quite strange. But anyway, let's move on to lips. So I have a little combo here. I have a matte lipstick. This is in the shade Vintage Rose. How stunning is that colour? This is the Sweet Lip Gloss. It's in the shade Pale Peach. It is a shimmer sheer lip gloss, coconut scented with sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. So all the goodness in here. I'm actually really excited for this. Okay, let's try this lipstick on. I love a Primark lipstick, I really do. Okay guys, so this is my finished look using a lot of new Primark makeup. I absolutely adore this look. I think it looks amazing. The makeup that I've tried looks amazing. I have some thoughts, so let's go through them. First thing, the foundation. I think it's a beautiful foundation. I feel like the shade has definitely changed now, but I think it's because I used too much of that contour. Now my skin tone looks a little bit cool toned. But this is the perfect olive undertone. If you like a dewy finish, like my makeup looks so glowy today and I love it. I feel like it just looks great. It's like a very nice skin-like finish. It's full coverage. It's actually a really nice option. And for £6, you can't really go wrong. If you're looking for a nice little dewy foundation, it's a good option. I mean, is it my favorite foundation of all time? No, it's not. But it has made my skin look really nice and luminous. And I can see myself picking this up on an everyday basis. Like if I want a dewy foundation on that day. I don't think it's going to be like my occasion wear makeup, but it does look really nice and I feel like it will wear really nice. Because I do have an oily skin, I am a little bit wary that it is going to get super oily, but The thing is, it's nothing that a little bit of powder can't sort out, and for £6 I'm not going to be too mad at it. So yeah, I actually really like it, and I feel like if you have dry skin, you're going to love that foundation. Contour and blush. These are the Charlotte Tilbury dupes. I feel like they are wicked dupes. These are actually really good dupes for the Charlotte Tilbury. I would say save yourself some coin and just get these if you can get your hands on these, because they really apply like high-end makeup. This is like a fantastic cream contour. It's easily blendable, user-friendly, it's pigmented. The only thing is I feel like it opts a little bit purple, so if you're not into like a purple undertone in your contour, I would stay away from this, but I do think it does a good job creating that shadow. Personally, I do like more of a grey undertone as opposed to a purpley red kind of undertone with this, but I still think I'm gonna be grabbing this on all the time, to be honest. It's actually really good. And then the blush, oh, I just love it. I feel like first of all, I love the color. The way it applies on the skin is like really, it has a really beautiful sheen to it. It just looks expensive. It looks expensive on the skin, and this shade in the middle is actually a really good highlighting shade as well. So it's like a blush and highlighter, and I just think it's so pretty. I'm going to be picking this up literally every day. I just think it's gorgeous. The only thing I wasn't too wowed with in this entire haul was the highlighter. I think the shade is gorgeous. I think I'm going to have to use it as either a body highlight once I'm tanned, or definitely just as an eyeshadow. It is really nice, but I think it's more suited and geared towards deeper skin tones. If you are a deeper skin tone, you will freaking love this. But if you're my skin tone or a little bit lighter, it's not going to work for you. I was a little bit saddened by that. And then the lip combo. This lip combo is so cute. I absolutely live for a pink lip. I love pink lips. I think they're so cute and girly. And this is like my everyday kind of combo. This is my ideal lip. I know a lot of people don't enjoy wearing a pink lip, and I don't understand it. It just looks so like feminine and cute. I really like it. And I actually think pink looks amazing on everybody's skin tone. You just gotta find the right pink for you. So this is like more of like a cherry pink in a way. The matte lipstick is nice. I've tried loads of Primark lipsticks before. I swear this was like 70p or 80p or something. It was really cheap. Like, how can you even go wrong? They smell like cocoa butter. They're really nice. It's a nice formulation. It's pigmented and not patchy, so I just think it's incredible. But the star of the show for me, I'm not even joking, I was actually blown away by how much I like this, and this is definitely my new fave. This lip gloss, like, I'm not joking. If you see this, literally pounce on it. It is so nice. It says it's coconut scented. It's definitely not coconut scented. It has the most incredible tropical scent. Like, I feel like I'm on some beach in Barbados right now. It is stunning. The scent is stunning. The color is stunning. And then like the dough, like literally it's so flexible. So it's just like really nice to use. I'm blown away. And I actually really like the packaging as well. It's like got like this pale pink top. Maybe this is a Charlotte Tilbury dupe as well, I don't know. It's like a peachy gloss with gold glitters in it, and it just looks, feels and smells incredible, and it has all the good stuff in there, so I feel like it's going to be nourishing. And for winter, like, this is incredible. In winter, I just don't do anything matte. I just cannot do it. My lips are so dry. It's just gloss, lip mask, lip balm, whatever, all the time, 24/7. Yeah guys, this is my full face using new Primark makeup, and honestly it's been an incredible bunch of makeup. I have loved them. A lot of them have been good dupes for high-end makeup, so I would say if you see any of this makeup in Primark, grab your hands on it, because most of this stuff is like limited edition. Even though they don't say that, a lot of the dupes that they do are not usually staples in Primark's makeup collection. Like, you'll see them for a couple of months and then they disappear. So if you really enjoy the formulation of something, like, I would just say stock up. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you have, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video, click the notification bell, do it all. And I'll see you on my next one.